have an amazing product to show you tonight. I think you're going to be blown away. It's not just to achieve some superlative in cars, but to show what an electric car can do. Because nobody believed that an electric car could do this, that an electric car really can be the best car.
Is Tesla really worth the money? With self-driving, supercharging, over-the-air updates, and insane mileage, Teslas are definitely one of the best EV options out there, but are they really worth their hefty price tag? Well, let's find out why Tesla stands out. Tesla is not number one in the EV market by a stroke of luck. They've gradually climbed the ladder with their technological advancements and have completely redefined how EVs should work, with absolutely crazy features.
I mean, I think a Tesla is the most fun thing you could possibly buy ever. That's what it's meant to be. It's not exactly a car. It's actually a thing to maximize enjoyment, make its maximum fun.
Electronic, like big screen, laptop, ridiculous speed, handling, all that stuff.
And we're going to put video games in it.
You are?
Yeah.
Mileage and efficiency. One of those features is the insane mileage you can get on most Tesla vehicles. Tesla owners save a lot of money by never having to fill a gas tank. Although most EV owners share this advantage, Tesla vehicles get significantly more out of a full charge compared to the average EV. For instance, the Model 3 gets you 353 miles on a single charge, while the Model Y allows for about 326 miles per charge. And the best part? It costs just under $8 to charge the Model 3 and around $12 to fully charge the Model Y. This means it costs approximately 2.27 cents per mile for the Model 3 and 3.7 cents per mile for the Model Y. In comparison, it costs about $12.45 to charge the Hyundai Ioniq 6 long range. That's some insane efficiency. Now, add the convenience of having your Tesla fully charged before you set out in the morning. Recently, Tesla introduced a plan allowing you to charge at home for just $5 a month. But what happens when your battery dies on you? You may have to endure long charging wait times, which is why some people remain skeptical about EVs. That's where Tesla's Supercharging comes in. Tesla's supercharger network has revolutionized the way people charge their EVs. It has also made owning a Tesla more attractive. With Supercharging, your Tesla can be ready to go within just 15 minutes. These stations, scattered across all 50 US states, Europe, and Asia, offer up to 200 miles of range in those 15 minutes of charging. So the next time you're on a road trip, you won't have to worry about your battery running flat. However, if you live in a rural area, limited supercharging stations might pose a challenge. Most charging will need to happen at home or at your destination, a hassle, especially for frequent road trips. It's also worth noting that Tesla's supercharging growth has slowed since Elon Musk fired the team managing it. Yet, supercharging remains one of Tesla's standout technologies, unmatched by most rivals. Many automakers are even working to make their EVs compatible with Tesla superchargers. Still, Tesla's most promising technology is its self-driving cars. Self-driving cars. What if your car could drive itself? Cool, right? Well, that's exactly what Tesla offers. With Tesla's self-driving cars, you can sit back and relax while the car takes over. No steering required. Tesla has made significant improvements in this technology, combining navigation with autopilot and auto steering for an enhanced driving experience. Lane changes, emergency braking, and efficient route finding are just some of the features. If tight parking spots stress you out, Tesla's AutoPark has you covered. You can even summon your Tesla out of a parking spot using your smartphone. How's that for convenience? But here's the catch. You'll need to pay an extra $12,000 for self-driving capabilities on top of your car's price. Would you be willing to pay for it, or should it be standard in every Tesla? Despite its advancements, Tesla's self-driving tech has faced controversy. Critics argue that labeling the cars as self-driving is misleading, given that they haven't achieved full autonomy. A series of crashes has sparked a federal investigation into Tesla's claims. Over-the-air updates. Unlike traditional car manufacturers that require dealership visits for updates, Tesla offers over-the-air OTA updates. All you need is Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Tesla's updates roll out regularly, introducing new features like improved navigation, autopilot enhancements, and better user interfaces. What sets Tesla apart is its in-house software development, which ensures smooth functionality without lag, a rare feat among competitors. Better security. Tesla is also a leader in vehicle security. Did you know that a Tesla is 90% less likely to be stolen than the average car? Thanks to features like Pin to Drive and Sentry Mode, Tesla owners can enjoy peace of mind. Sentry Mode allows you to monitor your parked car via your smartphone. If a threat is detected, the car's alarms activate and a notification is sent to you immediately. The downsides. While Tesla has many strengths, it also has its challenges. 1. High maintenance and repair costs. Replacing a Tesla battery can cost between $12,000 to $16,000, and repairs often require specialized Tesla service centers. This can be time-consuming and expensive. 2. High insurance costs. Insurance premiums for Teslas are higher than average due to repair costs and their classification as luxury vehicles. 3. High purchase price. The average EV costs around $55,000. Meanwhile, Tesla's lineup starts at $46,000 for the Model Y and goes up to $105,000 for the Model X. 4. Limited charging infrastructure.
Have a pack efficiency of around 400 watt-hours per kilogram. That's when electric planes start to get interesting. So, I don't know, it'd be a fun problem to work on at some point. We got a lot to do over the next few years, so we're going to focus on these things.
While Tesla has an extensive network of superchargers, they are concentrated in urban areas, leaving rural and remote areas underserved. Conclusion: Tesla offers incredible features like mileage, supercharging, self-driving, and OTA updates. However, the high purchase price, maintenance costs, and limited charging infrastructure may deter some buyers. So, is Tesla really worth the money? Well, that depends on your finances, lifestyle, and priorities. What do you think?